Vitamin C is a skincare powerhouse known for its ability to brighten skin, reduce dark spots, and fight free radicals. Incorporating a good vitamin C serum into your routine can make a world of difference in achieving radiant and youthful skin. In today's video, we'll review 5 of the best vitamin C serums from trusted brands like L'Oreal, Kiehls, Drunk Elephant, Vichy, and Murad. Stick around as we explore their features, benefits, and why they deserve a spot in your skincare arsenal. Kicking off our list at number 1, LOral. The L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensives Vitamin C Serum is a drugstore gem that delivers premium results. Formulated with 10% pure vitamin C, it's designed to visibly brighten skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Key features: this serum is lightweight, fast-absorbing, and dermatologist-tested. The formula is free from parabens, synthetic dyes, and fragrance, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The airtight, UV-protective packaging ensures the vitamin C remains potent. Benefits and usage: regular use improves skin texture, fades dark spots, and enhances radiance. Apply 2 to 3 drops in the morning on clean, dry skin, followed by sunscreen to protect against UV damage. Usability: the non-greasy formula glides effortlessly onto the skin, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. It layers well under moisturizers and makeup without pilling. Durability: with consistent use, results are noticeable within 2 weeks. The high-quality packaging ensures the serum remains stable for longer, giving you the best value for your money. In the second spot, we have Kiehls. The Kiehls Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate is a cult favorite for those seeking a high-performing vitamin C serum. Formulated with 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, it targets multiple skin concerns effectively. Key features: this serum contains ascorbic acid, pure vitamin C, and a stable derivative, making it potent yet gentle. Its warm, silky texture absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Benefits and usage: the formula helps reduce fine lines, improve skin firmness, and boost radiance. Apply a pea-sized amount to your face and neck twice daily after cleansing and toning. Usability: the unique formulation is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free and dermatologist-tested, ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. Durability: the airtight pump bottle preserves the potency of vitamin C, ensuring lasting efficacy. Visible improvements, like smoother skin and reduced wrinkles, can be noticed within 4 weeks. Coming in at number 3 is the Drunk Elephant. The Drunk Elephant C from a Fresh Day Serum is a luxurious option that delivers remarkable results. Packed with 15% L-ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, and pumpkin ferment extract, it brightens and firms your skin. Key features: this serum comes with a 2-phase system that you mix before the first use to ensure maximum freshness. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrances. Benefits and usage: it targets uneven skin tone, fine lines, and sun damage while hydrating and nourishing your skin. Use it in the morning, applying 1 to 2 pumps to your face, neck, and chest, followed by sunscreen. Usability: the lightweight, non-sticky texture makes it easy to layer with other products. Its innovative packaging ensures the ingredients remain effective until the last drop. Durability: with regular use, improvements in texture and tone are noticeable within a month. The fresh mix system maximizes the serum's longevity and performance. Taking our 4th spot is Vishy. The Vishy Lift Active Vitamin C Serum is a dermatologist-developed formula that combines 15% pure vitamin C with hyaluronic acid to brighten and hydrate your skin. This serum is perfect for those looking for an effective anti-aging solution. Key features: this fragrance-free formula is paraben-free and hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. The amber glass bottle protects the formula from oxidation, preserving its effectiveness. Benefits and usage: it helps reduce the signs of aging, like fine lines and dullness, while hydrating and revitalizing the skin. Apply 4 to 5 drops to clean skin in the morning and follow with a moisturizer and sunscreen. Usability: the lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It works seamlessly under makeup and other skincare products. Durability: the potent formula delivers noticeable improvements in radiance and texture within a few weeks. Its packaging ensures the serum remains stable and effective throughout its use. And finally, at number 5, we have Murad. The Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 combines the benefits of vitamin C with sun protection. Ideal for daytime use, this serum moisturizer hybrid nourishes and shields your skin. Key features: this formula contains a stable form of vitamin C, antioxidants, and SPF 30 to protect against UV damage. It also includes ginkgo biloba leaf extract to calm and revitalize the skin. Benefits and usage: this product brightens, hydrates, and protects your skin in one step, making it perfect for busy mornings. Apply liberally as the final step in your skincare routine before heading out. Usability: the creamy yet lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no white cast or greasy feeling. It works well on its own or under makeup for all-day protection and glow. Durability: this multitasking product ensures long-lasting hydration and protection against environmental damage, making it a valuable addition to your skincare routine. And there you have it, 5 of the best face serums with vitamin C to elevate your skincare game. Whether you're after brightening, hydration, or anti-aging benefits, these serums offer something for everyone. Remember, consistency is key to achieving the glowing, radiant skin you desire. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.